Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. I'm up here with my nephew T-Train, and today we have the Nike Zoom Rookie Galaxies. This hype for this shoe, or not even the hype for this particular shoe, but the hype overall for Galaxy print was at all-time high at the All-Star game. Was it 2012?
Yep.
Well, I remember when Rondo wore them. Yo, people were going crazy. Honestly, this print isn't even like a high-resolution like printout.
From a distance, it looks cool, but I mean, looking at up close in person, I remember.
Like, how many megapixels was this image when they slapped it on this shoe? Because you could see like the pixel.
Removed before flight tag, inspired by NASA.
Now you kind of see that a lot
on bomber jackets.
On bomber jackets, but then I think they've had that for a while already. But now you see it on a lot of shoes too, like the PG NASA shoe. Like Nike was on it way before everyone else. Because now you see everyone rocking NASA. Like even Vans got a NASA collab. Like I said, the PG NASAs, and this is NASA like with a lot of different brands right now.
You have this little thing right here that you can pull off the tongue.
Oh yeah, the Velcro tab right here.
PG, not the PG, the penny,
man.
Yep. The penny logo, glow in the dark.
That's cool. I didn't even know that. I didn't know that. As far as sizing goes, this is size 8. I think I would go half size up because it's really hard, and you really gotta break these in because that foam material, the foam positive material,
the plastic.
Yeah, it's very hard. It's a tough material.
The glow in the dark sole too, which kind of makes it stand out.
Yeah, the glow in the dark sole is hot. Anytime they put the glow in the dark sole, that catches my attention. But I think overall this shoe is interesting to see Nike re-retroing kind of more current shoes.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what do you guys think of the Galaxy print. And that's it for this video, and we out.